Hello friends, today we're going to draw Alex from Minecraft. Minecraft is a popular video game where players can build a virtual world made up of blocks. Like all Minecraft characters, Alex is in blocky style. So if you use grid paper, it will be easier to draw. She has a square head with 8 blocks on each side. You can freely change her hair color and the color of her eyes. Drawing Minecraft is very easy. All you need to do is color blocks. No curves and other difficult shapes. No hand and toes. Leave 2 blocks for her mouth. Let's color it in. Now we move on to her neck. The color of her neck is a bit darker than her face. Her neck consists of 3 blocky lines, which are 3, 4, and 2 blocks wide. Now let's draw her hair resting on her shoulder. We use darker colors to reflect the shadows. Now let's move on to her right chest. We use different black and dark gray colors, but you can just stick to one color. We have used black at the edge of the t-shirt. The t-shirt is 12 blocks long and 8 blocks wide. Hey Mom, you're missing one. On the left-hand side, there are 9 blocks long. Now let's move on to her right shoulder. Her shoulder is 3 blocks wide and 4 blocks long. We're using dark gray at the moment. We will draw the 4th row separately with black color. Repeat the same on her left shoulder. Let's color the letter on her t-shirt. Actually, we're coloring the grids other than white in red. Alright, the t-shirt is done. Let's draw her brown bout. We move on to her arms. The first row is a little bit darker than the rest. Her arms are 8 blocks long and 3 blocks wide. We repeat the same on her left arm. We color 2 blocks with darker shade of skin color to represent the details of her hand. Alright, the arms and hands are done. Let's move on to her pants. Her pants are 6 blocks long, including the edge which is in a darker color. The pants are done. Finally, let's move on to her boots. Her boots are 6 blocks long. We've used different shades of gray to draw her boots, but you can just pick one color. Alex. We hope you liked this video. See you next time. Bye!